Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Whiteboard 101, the series in which I answer your most important questions about cryptocurrency in less than 2 minutes. And today's question is, what is a cryptocurrency wallet? And if you remember from a previous video, I said that cryptocurrencies are really on the blockchain and they're not physical objects. So when we talk about a cryptocurrency wallet, you're not actually putting your cryptocurrency inside of it. Rather, we are talking about the way that you manage your public and private keys. So a paper wallet is the most simplistic form of wallet, and it simply prints your public and private key on a slip of paper that you can use to send and receive funds from a certain address on the blockchain. A hardware wallet is something like a USB stick, and your public and private keys are encrypted on this USB drive. You use software to interact with the blockchain and send and receive cryptocurrency. Now, desktop and mobile wallets are things that can run on your computer, phone, desktop, or laptop. Your keys remain encrypted on your device, and again, you use software to interact with the blockchain. Browser wallets are somewhat similar to desktop and mobile wallets, except that they are in your browser, and they have the additional advantage of being able to log into cryptocurrency-based websites. Now, exchange wallets are somewhat misleading because when you place funds on a cryptocurrency exchange, you are trusting the exchange to take care of your public and private keys. So you don't actually have the keys to move these funds. Rather, you have an account with that website and you're trusting them to carry out your wishes for your cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency wallets have many additional features. Some of them, depending on the wallet, will allow you to buy, sell, stake, or exchange cryptocurrency directly within the wallet. So, in summary, cryptocurrency wallets provide a simple way of managing your keys, and one more thing you might hear is the difference between a hot and a cold wallet. Hot wallets are simply wallets that are connected to the internet in some way, whereas cold wallets are wallets that are not connected to the internet. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.